Do you spend a lot of time with your emails? Imagine starting your day stress-free, with a good cup of coffee and not worrying about your emails, just concentrating on your most important tasks because you simply do not have to read your emails. Sounds like a dream? Stay tuned, listen to the following steps and make it happen. I'm Zsófia of Myprocesses and I help busy entrepreneurs to automate and outsource their time-consuming tasks without sacrificing the profit. So if you are looking to make the 4-hour work week a reality or simply avoid burnout, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when I release a new video like this. In this video, I will look into how to clean up and automate your mailbox, and honestly, this can be a game changer to anyone who has an email address. However, if you are a busy entrepreneur, I highly recommend to follow these steps because after that you can easily and cost efficiently outsource your email management to a virtual assistant. Make sure to listen to my next week video as well when I will detail you how to do that. In order to organize an outsourcing process to a virtual assistant, you really need to make sure to follow these 2 easy steps: eliminate and automate. And even if you don't have like $100 per month to get help with emails, you can still make your life so much easier with these tricks. Eliminate. There is a great chance that so many emails are landing in your mailbox that you should not even see. Especially for those mail lists. You really need to clean the clutter and get rid of those. And I know it's just so posh to be subscribed to this thought leaders mail list and you promise yourself that you're gonna read it, but we both know that you actually won't. So just get rid of it. Really, you will have so much more clarity in your mailbox if you do so. This is how Unroll That Mail looks like. First, it asks you if you are living in the EU or in the European Economic Area. Well, just a hint, if you say yes, then it will not work. So I click on no. And it will ask me if I want to unsubscribe easily, instantly see a list of all my subscription email. Yes, that's what I want. So I start to proceed. And here you can choose your account where you have to accept your privacy settings, so have a look on it, and if you agree, just proceed with accepting it. Here you have to give your email address and password, which I give an address which I rarely use, so you will not see much here. I think so, at least. And after it is loading, I have to allow it to access my Google account, which is fine. And it shows me that I have a few options to unsubscribe. The roll-up is an organized inbox to send a subscription summary of all my favorite emails, which is cool. And it only found 3 email subscriptions, so it's a pretty neat inbox, but let me start editing. So I come here and I decide where I want to unsubscribe, which I want to keep in inbox, and maybe this one I can add to the roll-up. And if you check here, then I have 1 unsubscribed email, 1 email which is added to my daily roll-up, and I have 1 subscription which I kept in my inbox. So this is how it looks like. I hope you will find it useful. If you have a team and you keep getting emails where you are only CC'd but you don't really have to do anything with the email, then it's probably a right time to come up with a CC policy. So CC in theory means courtesy copy, so you are just copied there out of courtesy. You have to educate your team that when they expect you to take action, they have to send an email when you are in the to field. If this is guaranteed, then you can move all of your emails to another folder. It's possible in Gmail, it's possible in Outlook as well, and can be a good idea and can save a lot of things in your principal mailbox. And this leads us to the other point, which is automation. If you always have to take a simple action with an email, then it's a good idea to look into automation. Actually, automation is the best that can happen with your email. So Just to tell you an example, I have a Zap set up for an email automation. I use Zapier for this. So what happens? I always ask my client to sign a contract with me when we start working together. I use EverSign for this. EverSign sends me an email in an attachment with the signed contract. So I saved the contract and I saved it to Google Drive as well. It's a few clicks, not too complicated, but honestly it adds up, so I automated the whole process. Whenever EverSign sends me this document, the Zapier automation automatically saves the attachment to the Google Drive folder and it's done. If you need this one, for example, I just put the link to this specific Zap below this. I encourage you to take action today. Even if you don't have roughly like €100 to get help with your emails, just go to unroll.me and make sure to unsubscribe from the unnecessary list. Also make sure to stay tuned because in the next video I'm gonna talk about how to outsource your mailbox management. And if you have any question about how to hire a freelancer, just leave me a link below and let's start the conversation. Until my next video, stop firefighting and be the creator of your company.